For fault diagnosis and troubleshooting, you need to connect the Bluetooth module to the Ethernet port of the appliance. The Ethernet port location is different for various GE appliances. This video will help you locate the Ethernet port of many of the GE appliances. The dishwasher has its port location at the bottom right behind the grill. The dryers have their Ethernet port at the back of the appliance. Washers also have their port location at the back of the appliance. The washer-dryer combo has the port location on the front left, below the dryer cavity. The side-by-side has the Ethernet port on the bottom left behind the grill. For built-in, side-by-side pictured, the Ethernet port is in the compressor compartment which is above the refrigerator. For bottom freezer, the Ethernet port is on the top behind the left door. For the wall oven, the Ethernet port is found behind the user interface electronic board. Screws on either side of the control panel have to be removed to access. For a Zoneline, the Ethernet port is located behind the grill of the indoor unit. The Ethernet port of the range is at the back of the appliance. Cooktop has its Ethernet port beneath the appliance.